guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys had a wonderful weekend. So in today's video I am going to be doing a what I eat in a day. I'm gonna be sharing with you guys what I'm currently doing while I am doing that intermittent fasting. This is my second time trying intermittent fasting, and the first time it worked out so good, so I wanted to do it again. I should probably make it a lifestyle and not feel like it's a diet. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. Thing that I do every morning, I usually have a cup of hot water or warm water with some lemon, so that's what I'm doing here. I feel like it just sets my stomach up and it gets it ready to break the fast. So on this morning I was just going to be having a mushroom and spinach omelet, something simple, but I try to keep my food options light. Another thing I've been doing is eliminating carbs and sugar as much as I can. Now this has been probably the hardest thing to eliminate sugar for me, because I do drink a cup of coffee or a cup of tea a day. I used to have more than that and I reduced it to one a day, which I think is pretty good. So I've been really practicing some serious self-control on that, and I think I'm doing pretty good. I normally do 2 eggs for my breakfast, but because I was not having like a piece of toast on the side, I just decided to do 3 eggs. It did turn out to be quite a bit, which was good because if you keep watching, you will see that I had a helper. So like I mentioned, I've done intermittent fasting before, and the first time around I did so much research on this. I wanted to be sure this was something that I could handle and it was something that went with my lifestyle, and to be honest, I loved it. I cannot do keto and all that because I can't eat that much fat. I can't even handle cheese, let alone having like greasy food. So I could not do that, and I'm so happy that intermittent fasting was something I really was able to do. Now I'm wondering, have any of you guys tried this, and how do you like it? Which hours do you do? I do the 16-hour, 16-8. So, and that's what's working for me. So I break my fast at 10 a.m. and I stop eating at 6 p.m., which is plenty of time for me to eat during the day. And I love that I finish early enough so I can go to bed with my stomach not feeling uncomfortable. So lunch was a bit easy. The night before I had made some lentil soup, so that is what I was having for my lunch on this day. All I had to do was just warm it up. It was really good. I am not a soup person, I just have to put that out there, but once in a while I will find a nice recipe and just make a good soup and enjoy it, and probably go months without having any soup at all. So I usually don't snack, but because of my window of eating, I want to make sure that I'm always somehow full and I don't go hungry and try to eat things that I'm probably not supposed to have. So I do add healthy snacks in between my meals. On this day, I was having some bell peppers and some sugar snap peas with some hummus.
And all the loving that I just ignored, I'm gonna revive it. I'm gonna revive it. I know I made mistakes, I know I lied. I should have noticed, yeah, I should have.
For dinner, I decided to make a whole chicken. So here I was just seasoning it up. As you can see, I kind of butterflied my chicken so it can cook a little quicker. And yeah, I was just gonna pop it into the oven, and on that day we were gonna have it with some quinoa. So quinoa is pretty bland, so I wanted to make it a little tasty. And once again, we're having some mushrooms and some spinach with it too, and I added a ton of garlic. I think garlic is just so good. So I cook garlic in pretty much everything. So yeah, that's what I was doing here. I cooked the quinoa on the side. So when I add it into it, it is already cooked and ready to go. And this was so good. It was just for me and Jeremy. The kids don't really like the texture of quinoa just yet. I think it's a little dry for them, so they had some mac and cheese on the side.
I don't know what to say, what to do, how to make you see. This is nothing in real life, it might just have been a bad dream. You can run, you can hide, but you can't put the blame on me. Because you're acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Because you're acting like a volcano and make me feel outrageous. You keep teasing me, but you're nothing without running fast, never look back. Now we're over, that's a fact. Phasing light, see it all bright. You were never right. Back to life, I apologize. Too soon to say I'm fine. Too soon to say I'm fine. Oh, I don't know what to say, what to do, how to make you see.
And this was the finished product. The chicken was so good. I seasoned it a lot, so it turned out really good. The quinoa was amazing too. I ended up having it the next day again actually, and it tasted even better. So anyways, you guys, I hope you enjoyed watching me cook and share with you guys what I eat in a day. Let me know if you would like to see another video like this for the future, and I'll be more than happy to share with you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!